Can I tell you, I'm now over 70. I've never had a government looking for a job for me. You know that? Never. I went to Teba, I took a contract, went to the mines, worked as a miner, went back home, bought cattle, bought sheep, went back to the mines, and I did that. The difference is that today, because there's a progressive government, people expect that government to go and give them jobs.
Illuminate yourself, align with current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. Hotep to everyone. Compliments of the new year to the people that believe into it. And we are now going to move forward in this Gregorian calendar year. And one of the first topics is the burning issue. Ntate Gweremantashe saying, why are the people going to look for the jobs from the government? Do people think the government is obliged or have ethical responsibility to give them the job? Wow, fellow South Africans, how do things so quickly change? All these other times, all this other period of elections, you are always told ANC will give you jobs. But today, just like previously I heard, and you also heard, Cyril Ramaphosa said the same, that it is not the government that gives people the jobs. What is bringing this today? Is it now a new justification where the government see that their notion of using a job as a tool of luring people to vote for them is not going to work anymore because the people have realized that they've been lied to all along? Let's hear what you say on the comment section about that. Are they seeing that their plan of using a giving job as a tool of making people to vote for them is not working? Or are they also realizing that all along they know they've been lying and it's not materializing in the way that they've been telling people about? And also, is it true that the government doesn't create jobs? We know for a fact we cannot say all the jobs are created by government. Let us just put it in this way. There is something called PP, uh, uh, PPP, public-private participation. In all some of the jobs up to this far, like the jobs that the tenders of building the bridge, the roads and everything, they are not built by the government uh, 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 businesses or government tractors, government whatever. They are done by the private companies. But in that field, the government is the one that be saying we want to bring infrastructure, we want to build the stadiums, we want to fix the roads, all of those things. And then as a result, that is the way of the government of giving the jobs. Now, can we say with every single time, or every single town, I'm sorry, with such a lot of potholes and everything, some stadiums not working, infrastructure broken down, the train stations and everything, can you say there is no property or any other improvement that the government can bring where it can be able to bring the jobs for the people? Because every infrastructure seems like it is down. That's why some of the people have started to say maybe the government has to go back to white people, unfortunately, during this December period. So what do you make out of this statement of Ubaba Gweremantashe? Is he mantashing? Is he acting like a snake